We are On-Site Insight, capital planning experts. The YMCA, with its diverse building stock, from historic buildings in urban settings, to buildings that have been repurposed, to buildings that serve suburban communities, and buildings that will augment all communities across the country. The interior programs, gymnasiums and play areas, be they old or new, swimming pools and racquetball courts and rooftop decks. Housing, the affordable housing, or even new partnerships with market rate housing. These are all aspects of capital needs of the YMCAs. And that's where On-Site Insight, with its 30 years of experience and trained staff, can be of service. Our process is non-invasive. It's a walkthrough. It includes discussions with staff and building occupants and a review of design documents to give us a sense and an idea of existing conditions and where things are going. And we look at it in terms of the site, the mechanical room, building systems, the building architecture, the building envelope and interior finishes, and other equipment and miscellaneous program-related items. We performed a study for the Greater Boston YMCA with our criteria based on life safety, the impact of critical programs, and the remaining useful life. Seeing things such as, on the exterior, damaged courtyards at one particular YMCA. Some unique HVAC equipment, such as a 70-ton gas-fired chiller, or traditional rooftop package units sitting on a membrane roof, or viewing at deterioration on a foundation at a swimming pool, pointing out concerns on a building envelope where there is mortar loss and the start of step cracks, and looking at the handicap accessibility throughout the facility, in this case a ramp at a pool, and interior finishes both in the common areas and in program areas such as classrooms. All of these aspects get rolled up into our report, and they're shown graphically, and they're shown also in a table in terms of cost, near term and throughout a 20-year period. Our detailed worksheets will tabulate up to 200 different items, showing the item, its cost, its unit price, its age, and when we believe the improvement needs to occur. And we even talk about ways of funding those capital improvements. If there's an existing replacement reserve, we will do a replacement reserve analysis to see if there's adequate funding in place. And if it isn't, then we show where we believe additional funding can be put in place to bring things back in line. We're also able to provide detailed investigation services using infrared technology, and also to be able to start the process of looking at energy improvements, existing energy, and setting up computerized energy models. We are On-Site